Shit, my bad, nigga.
Get the fuck out of the way.
My bad.
So,
My fault.
piece of hunk.
I you think there's a picture?
My fault.
what if we just hook up the terminals to this battery and start your car battery? You know?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do with the injector.
Oh, to test it?
Oh, to test them?
Yeah, you can do that, huh?
No, my man.
Smart.
Wire? Hey, do any of you guys have wire?
Alan does the subs. We could just disconnect the sub
Skinny,
wires.
skinny ones.
Yeah, like 16 gauge.
Nah, like fucking.
That's small.
10.
That's fatter though.
I can't take this
10 gauge?
Oh yeah, like 16.
Yeah, we just take apart Alan's subs real quick. He won't trip.
Take apart one of these niggas' coil pipes or some shit. We get it to the wiring harness, ASAP.
Golly.
Hey, I can't get this bitch loose over here.
Nigga, I can't get none of them.
These bitches are seized on.
I'm guessing.
God dang, Johnny, put that mess on it.
I'm gonna have to full detail your
Just
engine
one.
bay.
Just
Oh,
one.
Dude,
honestly, yeah, I might let you.
you should
fucking-
have. Did you buy it on those blue rags?
I have rags in the back of the car. Hey, these bitches won't come off, bro.
Okay.
Alright, just take off the fucking coil pack then.
Unbolt it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easier that way.
Should we?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Oh yeah.
It's over here, dumbass.
What do you think you're the shit,
Who?
bitch?
Not me.
Oh,
How'd it go?
you're saying that funny. You're
Yeah,
not
that
gonna
one song.
fart.
It goes fucking
Nigga, my
hard.
girl fucking sings that shit all the time.
That shit's hard, nigga. Y'all fuck with Ice Spice?
Oh.
No. What'd you do?
No, my man.
I cracked it loose, but it went.
Nigga, yeah, let me see.
Damn. Nigga.
Oh.
I cracked it loose.
No, you didn't.
I farted.
That's the size, bitch.
Alright, well, I was just making sure.
The oil.
Not even.
Some of your ECM.
ECM?
Yeah, bitch, that's what I was saying.
You gotta be careful.
You just never took them off, huh? When was the last time you took them off?
I never.
I think like almost.
Alright, so spark plug number 1 came out. Not, oh shit, wrong one. Not too bad.
Not too bad. Hey,
You should have seen the one on my power washer. That shit was toasted.
Why don't you get a CJ fix, Manny?
what do you mean?
A CJ.
The manifold? This one?
Have you guys considered getting the strut brace? I want to, but I can't because of my shaker.
Well, I don't know, because I'm going to go supercharger and I don't know if it'll fit with the supercharger.
Oh, you want a supercharger? Whipple?
Whipple or VMP?
The Odin?
VMP, you're gonna look at like
Jet
700.
3R.
Well, which
Odin.
one though?
Huh?
Which
Odin.
gen VMP?
Nigga, the Odin one was
the
fucking
old one.
nice.
If the Frankenstein build can hold up that much power, then fuck it, yeah.
Well, they can handle what? 900? Let's see.
Not bad. I mean, it does have a little bit more oil around the rings or the threads.
Nigga, this is factory, huh?
No, bro, I had
Wait,
to
wait.
change it out.
Why you lying?
No, I did. Jeremy changed it. If he didn't, then
Jeremy from fucking
Admin? No way. Yeah. He just probably looked them over and put them back in.
Nah, this straight. Put them back in, nigga. Yeah, Jeremy put them back. Supposedly he fixed all my problems. He fixed the O2 sensors and he fixed all the spark plugs and I forgot what else he told me. Charged me like 800 bucks.
For like a tune-up, basically. It's alright, bro. I got charged $5 to change his fuse box, and the motherfucker put me in a convertible one. Yeah. And my IC still didn't work.
No, so when I was, this was before I actually like started fucking with Edgar a little bit more.
Yeah.
But I hit him up about the cams, and I told him just the cams and timing. That's it.
Yeah.
I was like, I have my own tuner. He was like, well, this car ain't leaving unless it gets a tune from us.
Edgar.
No, Admin.
Admin?
Admin.
Fuck that.
On what?
On
Your
the
Mustang?
3D,
No
yeah.
way.
And then I was like, okay, well, can I use my own tuner? He was like, yeah, but it's not leaving here until it gets tuned. And I was like, okay, well, how much is everything? I'll be a motherfucker said 3,500. 3,500.
You should have been like, yeah, just give me my car back, bro.
No, I didn't even take it to him.
That was like a quote?
Yeah.
Oh, you fucking thank you.
I texted Edgar. I was like, hey, you can do my cams, right? And he was like, yeah. And then I was like, all right, cool. How much? He was like 1,400 for everything, even with the fucking heads and everything.
Yeah.
That one's a little better. That's probably the
That
best
dog,
one
yeah.
looking so far.
I like when it's cracked.
Oh, Nunez is out. I'm not stripping.
Huh? What happened?
If we strip this, this will get us views right now.
No, I'm not trying to risk that shit. Go ahead, Nunez.
Ah, fuck me.
Hey,
Yeah.
the little one.
The little what?
The little
The what?
Richard.
Brado fucking breaking it too now.
No, I don't. You shouldn't be. You shouldn't be able to break them. Hey, hold on.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I'll let you.
No. Okay, yeah, you're good. I didn't know
Making
if
sure
I-
you were listening.
If I had it on loose or.
No, motherfucker, I changed it.
Watch out, you're like twisting it like that. Go straight, turn it straight.
I see.
Yeah.
See, on,
There you go.
on that point, this should be.
Keep
like
going, keep going.
It's fucking like. Nigga. I swear to God, I'm doing it.
Just wait for
Bro,
Nigga, I swear to God, it's fucking.
Hey, just
you got
wait.
it, G. Come on.
Just
Venga,
know,
se jale, come on.
Nigga, it's fucking.
Con huevos, sin miedo.
Sin miedo al éxito, papi.
If you don't think you can do it, just wait.
No, it's cause. Okay, I'm gonna let you do it cause I'm scared.
You're pushing. Let me try one more time before you come over here.
Okay, come on.
I swear, this nigga gonna say he broke it loose for me.
Who? Me?
I don't got that gorilla grip strength.
Don't concentrate, bro, cause.
He's about to break that
Hey,
damn
I swear to
ratchet.
God. I swear to God, it's stuck in there, nigga.
You about to pull out the fucking head.
Let's see what
Watch him
really
twist the motor mount.
twisting the Let's see what twisting the chassis really about.
I'm not tripping, huh?
What?
Oh, that shit's
Come on,
stuck.
sin miedo.
No, it's stuck, I'm telling you.
I mean, I'm just not trying to put that much force into that bitch.
We gotta buy a junkyard truck, bro, and just like do shit we wouldn't normally do to our cars.
See, no, that's what I was telling Alan. Like, you know, here.
Yeah, this will go. Fuck it, fuck us up. Watch. He's got it. I have faith in this nigga.
Said that wait now.
Goddamn.
Well, here in a few
I
moments.
told you.
Here in a few moments, we're about to go to fucking MMR and get built everything.
Bill, fucking, I'm about to ship the fucking car out. Not see you for 2 years.
I think it'll run on 4 new spark plugs.
You want the bigger one?
Yeah, probably.
What if you put it that
try
way
this.
to where it goes down and hit it with a hammer? You know,
Oh.
type shit.
Give me the hammer.
I knew it. Can I do it?
Oh, you fuck.
Do it.
I was like, I hope you're recording this shit.
Alright.
Did it come out?
What the fuck?
Alright, Joe, you and me. Let's pull on it together.
Tag team.
That shit gets stuck in there too.
Yeah.
No way.
Let's try it. Here, you and me. We're gonna have to use double strength.
2 minutes.
Oh, nigga, let's try this one then. Okay, ready? Alright, let's go. Got it.
Oh my.
How many Mexicans does it take to? Hey, that's gonna be the title of this video.
Okay, that one by yourself.
Bro, you're just 2 men outside of the engine.
Oh no, hold on.
Nah, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
Retarded, bro.
Hey, if it works, it works, huh?
Oh shit.
What the fuck? That's
Damn,
crazy.
them bitches were on there.
See,
tight.
you need a gay couple to work on the Ford
This
Mustang.
motherfucker.
Wait,
Shut the
did y'all
fuck-
put that anti-seat shit in it?
That's probably why.
I don't know.
Did you
Jeremy's the
lube
one that
them,
put this shit on.
I've never put that shit in my.
You never? So it's like a random recommended type shit.
Well, it's kind of cheating myself often. I'm not trying to pay fucking $3 every time I change it.
All the fools on YouTube about to copy your fucking bills right now.
Nah, nigga, it's been copied like 60,000 fucking times already. Texas, all of Texas fucking have that shit.
There's literally a couple.
Nigga, when these cars came out, everyone had the fucking exact same shit.
Ported Manny and shit, 47-pound injectors, fucking PMAS intake.
Yeah.
That's everybody copied.
There's a
it.
copy and paste in Springdale too.
With the fucking trucks.
Oh yeah.
There's a copy and paste of the fucking Edgar haircut too.
Damn, nigga, those were on tight, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, no one's trying to remake your weak ass 3D.
Is it hot? Oh, hold on. That's just warm.
That feels good.
Yeah.
I was already touching that hole and that shit was down there.
I can't believe we took them out, bro.
Golly, y'all see that oil?
When's
Clean that out, Diego.
the oil change due?
When was the last time you did change the oil on this one?
Ooh, this one's fucking.
Oh,
bad.
Let me see.
Okay, I found Bing 2. I found Bing 2.
Was it the one that was marked? The second one?
Yeah. No. It's the first
Yeah.
one.
Nigga, there's oil on this shit too.
You think I might have fucked up some internals?
Nah.
I don't know.
This is Velcro.
Y'all know anyone that has that infrascope camera? They could like.
Yeah, see the difference? I mean, you see that?
Explain it to them, Joe. Tell them.
Well, this is when it's running rich. So it's not, yeah, it's running way too rich, so it's not burning on cylinder. I think that's one.
Does it go when you're looking at it from this way? Like that?
All right, guys. So we're just finishing putting up the covers back on and about to give it its first little cold start, warm start. I don't even know what to say.
I hate the fucking covers.
Hey, where the fuck does this go?
Diego, you should get some of those. Are like 24 karat gold, you know?
What? The hoses?
No, the covers.
Oh, cover? Oh yeah, you must think I got money.
Oh yeah. I know you do. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber spoiler,
Did you get a
Ben Calamer,
transmission?
Stage 3.
stage 3,
Stage 2.
Stage 2.
McLeod clutch.
Oh, the glove clutch. That shit was expensive.
You got the
The clips go like? Do they go somewhere else or do they just stay
No,
like that?
that's right.
Okay.
I think so.
Alright.
Alright.
I think we're done.
No, you have to double check.
All right, so we had to switch up to the iPhone because the GoPro died, but we pretty much got everything cleaned up and we're about to give it its first startup. So give it the juice. Damn, it quickly died down to idle. Oh. Why you want the info? Go back.
Oh shit, my bad.
Can you go to the gauges? Continue. What? They don't let you do that? Hey, Joseph, why doesn't it let him read his gauges?
Huh?
Why doesn't it let him read his gauges on the tuner?
I don't know. Oh, because you don't have a
You don't have a tune. You can check your codes. Go back to the functions.
Functions.
Yeah.
Vehicle functions?
Yeah. Read them. See how many we have. Oh.
Think they popped up more?
There was a couple. Yeah, you got that one. That one was there too. That one was there too. That one was there too. Yep. Golly.
They're still there, Joe?
Hey, all his codes are still there.
Huh?
All his codes?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hey, give it a red. Sounds like yours coming out, huh? Hey, do it again. Hold it at 1,000.
Hold it at 1,000?
Right here. You hear it, right? It's right here. You hear it, right?
No, I don't know what you're talking. I mean,
You hear it? It's right here.
oh yeah. Do you think the manifold's not bolted on? Or the bolted on?
Hear it? Look. You hear it, right?
Yeah. Oh, I get you now. What if you push down on it?
See, it's getting louder.
We need to take that manifold off. So on the corner of that side of your manifold, sounds like.
You got it early.
We'll leave that.
I'm guessing it's probably your mouth.
Maybe it's not bolted on evenly, or you know.
Yeah, 'cause I sprayed the throttle body and it was good. So.
Take it for a drive?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to drive it? Yeah. And then you're gonna have to ride in the back.
Okay,
That was me. Oh shit, my bad.
you're good.